Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Jamhuria's homemade food. Today I'm gonna make meatball soup or meatball sandwich. For this recipe I need 3 to 4 pounds of ground turkey, or you could use ground beef or ground chicken, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half a bunch of cilantro, 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 red pepper, 2 fresh onions, and 4 fresh garlics, and cooking oil. I don't have it on the island. First I'm gonna add the meat in a big bowl and then start chopping and blending my vegetables and add all of them on top of the meat. I'm chopping 1 onion into small pieces, put it in the blender with garlics, then add it on top of the meat. Now I'm gonna cut the red pepper in half. I'm gonna use only half of this. I'm gonna blend it and then add it on top of the meat. Then I'm gonna take the half a bunch of cilantro, cut it in small pieces, add it on top of the meat. On top of that, add half a tablespoon of salt, a little bit less than half a tablespoon of black pepper, now mix everything very well. This meatball soup recipe is very easy to make at home and it's healthy too. The meat is ready. I'm gonna set this aside and I'm working on the sauce. I chopped 1 onion, blend this. In a medium pot, add about 8 to 9 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then turn on the stove and add the blended onion. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. While the onion is cooking, I'm gonna chop the fresh tomatoes, blend it, and I saved those 2 garlics. I'm gonna blend that together with the tomatoes. The onions are good, it's sauteed. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Cook this for about a minute. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt into the sauce and a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it very well. Then I'm gonna add the blended tomatoes and garlic. Mix it well. Cook this for about 2 minutes. I have all my stuff in order. I have the meat and I have a little bit of water in the bowl. And the sauce is ready. I'm gonna add 2 cups of water on top of the sauce. Mix it well. The sauce is ready. Turn down your heat to medium-low and start making the meatballs. This meatball recipe is very dear to me. It's my mom's recipe, and this is how she taught me to make it, especially when you are firming the ball. When I was little, the meat was sticking all over my hands, and the trick is you dip your hands into the water and then grab a piece of ground beef, roll it around, shape it like a ball. Easy and quick. After all the meatballs are done, turn your heat toward medium and cook this for about 30 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on the meatballs and mix it once in a while so all the meatballs cook evenly. The meatballs are done. They have been cooking for about 35 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious meatball soup. I have this delicious homemade bread, and I have mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna serve it with cold Coke. First, I'm gonna line up the meatballs. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of that tomato sauce on top of the meatballs. Sprinkle a little bit mozzarella cheese on top. The meatball soup is ready. I'm gonna serve it with some delicious fresh broccolis, celery, and a little bit chips with a glass of cold Coke. The meatball soup is ready. It is very delicious and healthy. All the credits to this delicious recipe goes to my mom, my dear mom. It is her original recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support.